So just coming to your head right now. Nothing for you to do. We hold so much tension in our head, so many thoughts, so much energy. Just going to allow the healing energy just to clear it. Clear those thoughts, clear all that energy. So much. If you feel there is a lot, you can just use your hands to clear. If not, it's enough for you just to relax and for you to receive this healing. Feels so much better already, doesn't it? Coming to that point here, between your eyebrows, it's your third eye. We'll just clear that area. This area really helps with our intuition, to connect to that inner knowing. Receiving that healing now. Then as you come to your throat, so we hold a lot here, don't we? This is where we express ourselves. This is where we communicate. This can be blocked. So again, if you feel like you're really feeling blocked at your throat area, just use your hands to clear it. So in a sacred space, you can just clear it. There we go. We'll feel clearer. Feel yourself receiving this energy, this healing. And I'm going to come to your shoulders. Place your hands on your shoulders. I'm going to place them now. I'm just going to let your shoulders drop. Let your shoulders relax. Sending that energy down through your body. Your body doing what it needs to do, knowing that it can heal mentally, physically, emotionally, spiritually. We don't need to figure that out just as much as your body knows how to make your heart beat and your hair grow. It knows what to do with that energy. So we just allow it to have a little boost. Just to come here to the thymus area. Onto the bit just above your belly button, the solar plexus. We hold so much tension here as well, don't we? This is where I feel my anxiety here. So just acknowledging anything you might be feeling here or carrying. So we give you some healing here at your solar plexus. Your body taking what it needs. And then your sacral, which is just under your belly. So much going on here. You might notice different heat sensations around your body as well. For me, this area is very cool. You might find it's really hot. It's all okay. So allow yourself to receive the healing. And then we're going to go to your root chakra, just to do some grounding and some clearing. A lot of clients come in with a lot of energy around their root chakra. Feel blocked. So we're just going to send it to you just to clear anything that might need clearing and healing here. Again, if you feel like you have a lot of energy there, just clear it away. Look, the sun's come out now. How are you feeling? If you're feeling emotional, that's okay. Just welcome it. If you got caught up in your thoughts, that's okay too. Just welcome the thoughts. Welcome all the sounds around you. Welcome everything. Everything is okay. It can be brought into this moment to be healed. And then let's come to your knees. And I'm going to do your back as well. So just between your shoulder blades and your lower back. Just feel that energy go there to your lower back, your shoulder blades. Your whole back will receive this healing. Now, when clients come and see me and I do Reiki, they say they feel much lighter and brighter and more connected to themselves and more centered. So I'm just going to put one hand up here on your crown and I'm going to lift it off. And then just imagine a beautiful white beam of energy coming down the center of your body and down into the ground. So just see that in your mind's eye, this beautiful white beam of energy coming down from the universe through to your crown and through your whole body and out into the ground. And then this white, beautiful beam of healing energy is just inside of you, is just going to spread out throughout your entire body so you become white energy, healing energy throughout your body, healing all those parts of you that you can't see. And then you can place your hands wherever you feel you might need a bit more healing. So place them, you might feel like you want to place them on your chest, and that's okay. I'm going to send healing to that part of your body that you need right now. Lovely. So, so nice. Okay. So now what I'd like you to do is just kind of like just waft your hands over your body, just clearing anything, any excess energy that we don't need around the back. And then you can just with your hand or just in your mind's eye, I'm just going to put you in a bubble. So I'm going to put me in a bubble and I'm going to put you in a bubble. So all that healing can carry on and you're in a protective space. If you do have a clear quartz point, just like this, You can use that every day just to put a bubble around yourself. It's a really useful tool. Just one simple. You can use the selenite. I talk about that on another YouTube video, but that is really cool. Because with the clear quartz, wherever the point is, that's where energy goes. If you draw a big bubble around you, it will protect you. So now, while we're in this beautiful energy, you can set an intention for yourself. It can be any intention. What blessing would you like to receive? How do you want to feel for the rest of the day? And just know you've had a powerful cleansing, you've had a powerful healing, you're in a protective bubble now, and you can crack on with the rest of your day or go to sleep if you're in bed and it's nighttime, or whatever. You can have a lovely sleep. Enjoy receiving this blessing of healing. I'm going to be using sage and Reiki healing, which is just universal healing energy. So get yourself nice and comfortable and allow me to cleanse your aura. Just know that you will receive this wherever you are in the world. Try and get nice and comfortable and just focus on your breathing as I just smudge your aura. And as I smudge my own aura, know that yours is being done as well. This is a very powerful cleansing tool. I get my smudge always from Spiritual Quest at spiritualquest.co.uk. Beautiful. It's a beautiful store in Epsom. Anyway, smudging you should start to feel a bit lighter. We're just clearing away anything that's not serving your highest purpose, any negative energy, anything that's not yours, anything that feels a bit sticky or a bit dirty. We're just clearing that all away. So just allow yourself to be cleansed right now. Wonderful. Just focus on your breathing. Nice. Okay. So now we've cleared you. You're nice and clear. Your energy's clear. Your aura's clear. What I'm going to do now is just pop that down in this little abalone shell I've got. And I've got some clear quartz points to help with the healing. So what I just want you to do is just to relax. Come into your breathing. Breathing in, breathing out. Welcoming all your thoughts, all your feelings. Welcoming everything into this moment. This is your sacred space. This is time just for you to receive some powerful healing. You might feel tingles, you might feel nothing, you might feel like warmth or cold, but just know everything is happening for you and your body knows what to do with the energy. So I'm going to send you some healing right now to your heart center. So just becoming aware of your heart center. And as I place my hand on my heart area, I have one hand out and I'm sending you that energy. Welcoming all your thoughts, all your feelings, all your body sensations. Allow it all to be here in this moment. And allowing the healing to take place. We don't really have to think about it. We can just allow the healing energy to come to you. So just allow your heart center to be healed, cleared. It's a beautiful day here in England. So nice, perfect for some healing. The sun was out just now and we're just having a little bit of rain, but that's great because it's very cleansing. So just feel that healing at your heart center. And now I'm going to hold your feet. So just holding your feet, Just bringing all that energy down from your head and out through your feet into the ground. It's not often, is it, we take time out for ourselves, but just having this time can really, really help us to ground and connect back inside of us. Breathing in, breathing out as we're receiving that healing. So our heart center is open now, feeling more grounded. It's going to go to the base of your feet, sending you energy.